Messe 2023, the world's leading trade show for industrial technology. More than 4,000 companies from across the globe meet here to showcase innovations and solutions for a connected and climate-neutral industry.
So many vibrant people here around. The combination of business leaders, governmental leaders, but also researchers and students all coming together to help drive the topic for resilient and sustainable supply chains is an absolutely critical factor.
The SAP booth offers a lot to experience for visitors. Showcases, guided tours, live sessions, as well as SAP and partner booths.
First of all, it's an amazing collection of both SAP technologies and our broad partner ecosystem. And it is us working with our ecosystem that's solving our customers' challenges.
Operating live, the Waldorf-located factory, taking a virtual walk through it, or visiting the production control center. Hands-on experiences allow customers to see how supply chains and manufacturing are made more resilient and sustainable.
SAP is actually doing three things for supply chain. On the one hand side, we optimize the horizontal process from design to operate, also leveraging digital twins. But on the other hand, we have the vertical integration from the shop floor to the top floor, leveraging the data-driven insights to optimize production and factories.
A real eye-catcher of the SAP booth is the electric CNC injection molding machine, allowing attendees to follow the on-site production of their own individualized cup, entirely made out of recycled and recyclable plastic.
I think one of the most important things that we see here is the focus on sustainability. Creating a true network around that is how we're going to change the game, and that is essential to the industry being future-proof, but also the world.
The future starts now. Let's make manufacturing more resilient.